What's up?
I didn't recognize your license plate in the back. I never seen.
What is good, my guys? I haven't even started the vlog yet. That's crazy, right? But right now, I took the oil drain off again because, as you can see, it has like a lot of play, and then you can see the oil coming through it. So I got some new ones. These are Vibrants. They don't have the play like this one does. Fuck. But these are some eBay ones, so I wouldn't expect nothing better, right? So I'm about to swap them out right now. So I got the oil drain. I got the oil drain back on the car. I did drive it a few times, test it, make sure that it didn't leak, and it is currently not leaking at all, so that's pretty good. All right, so now I'm about to go with the homie Kyle and Say John to go pick up a car up in the sticks. So I'll catch you guys when I'm with them.
Outside with us, bro. We looked at him, he looked at us. Now we in front of him, he was the cool niggas. You feel like niggas turned out of
What's going on, man?
What's up?
I didn't recognize your license plate in the back. I never seen that before.
That's crazy.
Is it Connecticut?
Yeah, it's Connecticut.
Can I see it? Do you have your license?
Yeah. That's all?
I'm sorry?
That's all?
So it's historical, that's what it is?
Yeah.
It's not coming back to anything.
Oh, really?
Where'd you get it?
The DMV.
DMV?
Yeah.
No, the car.
Oh, Rochester.
Rochester?
Yeah.
You got any problems with your license or anything like that?
You probably looked at the camera and realized I'm recording. Nigga probably feel added right now.
Who did? This is a retarded, bro. I tell you, he literally looked at us, all three of us. Now,
Nigga said, I never seen that plate before.
that got it. Black man, now we get a break, bro. Tell you, bro, never get a fucking break.
I know you're hot right now because we just laughing in his face.
Bro, you look
Like,
like
you
a dick
really a
rider.
derlick.
Really a dude, bro. But you was side by side with us, all of a sudden, it's a problem.
Take this time out to...
You feel me? You got tense.
You don't got time, bro.
Back. You just think we wasn't doing that.
He's gonna search for something that he can't find. Literally.
He's gonna find a toolbox, tool set in the back.
You know what I'm saying?
Oh,
He's gonna look my license up and search something that he can't find.
I'm crying. I feel like a doofus after that Yogi Bear shit every day. Wasn't bad, bro.
Flies got cold, got me quick.
I like sauce and
Where to bust him?
shit. Go deep. Should definitely bust him. You couldn't pull that nigga though. You wouldn't pull a Mississippi, that's a white nigga car.
Huh? No, we're not good.
He said, no, we're not good.
My shit is going over. Can't be black in a nice car, bro. Well, let's just say black and young. It says he didn't recognize Tyreek's license plate. Oh, it's historical. Oh, I've never seen this before.
Doofus. He's a doofus.
Black too.
He's black?
It was like light skin.
Spanish. Nah, yo. Niggas are Uncle Tom.
Huh?
This is uncommon.
I'm crying.
Come back right now. Look at him. No ticket too.
Mm.
Let's go.
Alright.
Stay officer.
I know it's hot right now. No, it's hot.
You should just like make some like, you know. Bro?
Lost cause. Body it, they be leaking from there.
You got some type of.
Yeah, got emotions in my head, yeah, they fuck me up, I can't let you go.
So the reason why my car was acting up when I did that pull with the 540 is because this clamp keeps loosening up. So there's like a boost leak right here, and then as you can see there's a zip tie right here, and it's basically holding down the plug for the injector. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but yeah, like I guess the plastic thing, I can show you up here on this one. So this plastic piece right here, where that clip is at, don't mind the mess. That's just because I don't have a fucking catch can. But the plastic clip, where the clip clicks onto the injector, I guess it has a crack in it. So whenever I'm driving, it'll like loosen up and cause like a little misfire. So I zip tied it so it shouldn't loose up anymore. So shouldn't have any more random misfires coming from that. And I guess the reason why it misfires is because I think they share the same ground with the coil pack in the back. So like all the coil packs share the same ground with the injectors, which is crazy, but that's the whole different story. So yeah, that's fixed. I'm gonna buy a new clamp because you can tell this clamp is basically cooked. So that should fix my boost leak. And I guess I'm just gonna keep finding issues until I do my 6-speed swap and hit the dyno. Got me going through for a car meet right now. I know y'all hear this. This shit is wicked. Man, this dude is sleeping. I don't know how bro is sleeping through this right now.
I'm gonna get them shut down.
Fuck it. Maybe burnout.